I will constantly advocate for proper supplementation, but every once in a while there are a couple of common supplements that are out there that I will just go ahead and pass on. And when you start to get a multivitamin that has more ingredients, has more words on it than your average big city phone book, I just got to stop and assess the situation and figure out if you're actually getting anything of note there to begin with. But yes, here we are. Okay, if you're somebody who also has a similar thought process to this, you can go ahead and skip your multivitamins and you can go ahead and get proper nutrition through whole food sources, which is always preferential, but sometimes it's hard to get depending on the time of year and depending on where you're located. But skip the multivitamin. 5 nutrient-rich foods recommended by the doctors instead. So what are these foods that we're looking at here, Doc? Number 1, we got spinach. I love me some spinach, some big old leafy greens, a big endorsement right here. Dr. William Lee, physician, scientist, and author, noted that spinach is packed with the necessary nutrients, including vitamins A, C, B1, and B2. Told Fox News Digital that leafy greens also contain vitamins B3, B6, B9, and E. Spinach can help lower blood pressure, which is important for cardiovascular health and stroke prevention. Number 2, a papaya. Is an excellent source of vitamins A and C. The tropical fruit also provides B5, B9, and E vitamins, supporting hormone, cellular, and immune health, respectively. Interesting. I personally I don't think I've ever had a papaya. I've never consciously bought one and sat down with it. It might have been in something that I've had before, but I don't necessarily think I'd be against it. It's just not something that I've ever eaten before. Lentils. Here we go. Lentils are full of B vitamins, including B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9. This legume, can improve metabolism, lower bad LDL cholesterol, and lower inflammation. Dr. David Kahana, based in California, also recommends lentils. He told Fox News Digital, and he suggested black beans or chickpeas as alternatives. Yeah, I can go ahead and back chickpeas. Black beans, I'm not a big beans guy. I'm never really gonna stump for them, but if you like them, go for it. It's a great plant-based protein, B vitamins, and gut health. All of those things, yes, that's what lentils are great for. The gastroenterologist had said. Berries, oh man, now we're talking. Adding blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, or whatever berry you prefer to your daily diet can be a game changer, Kahana said. All berries contain powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support heart health. And yeah, the ones that they have right there, oh man, I just like raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries, man. That's a weakness. That's a personal weakness for me. Can't get enough of those. They are fantastic. And number 5, fatty fish. Well, this one it just kind of serves to reason, right? Kahana recommends fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, to cover daily nutritional bases. These fish are packed with omega-3s for the brain and heart health. Well, yeah, of course. And while there's nothing wrong with a multivitamin, but Lee said consuming whole foods is always the best way to get your basic vitamins and minerals. This is because foods supply not only the vitamins, but also an array of other useful macro and micronutrients. So yes, fatty fish, berries, lentils, papaya, and your leafy greens, but specifically spinach. If you're looking for alternatives to a multivitamin, if you're just looking to properly flesh out your diet, you could do a hell of a lot worse than sticking to those core 5 foods. So with all that said, thank you all very much for the gift of your time. I've been Don Consuelo. I want you to follow your gut and get after it. Take care, everyone.